I'm standing here in the veld and I've been gathering different kinds of indigenous food plants. So coming up to this hillside here, we've got some of this African sumac. It's a Searsia. They actually improve as they age and become more resinous. When they're young like this, they're just really easy to nibble on. And I'm thinking of making a dish this evening using the seepampoen, which generally grow by the coast, but we've been able to naturalize it here in our wild areas. It's called Prinia van Rensberg, nice succulent leaves, and really makes an excellent substitute for spinach. You can eat it raw. Would flavor it, probably one of the easiest of our native herbs to use, the kapokbos. Indigenous rosemary. It has a very similar habit to the rosemary leaf. A lot of our herbs are quite strong in their flavor, so I like this one because it really is wonderfully aromatic, but it's not too bitter. It's not that intense. So use more sparingly than the rosemary, but definitely well worth experimenting with. So that's going to be absolutely fabulous. And then I'm going to chop some of the Cape sorrel, the searsia. I love them. Really, they're my absolute favorite. So these leaves and the flowers and the stalks just nice, finely chopped, sprinkled over. So that would be a wonderful meal straight from the veld.